All right, it is January 29th at 7:46 p.m. Getting ready to backtest another random pair. Second backtest for the day. Um, I will do a total of 5 on here as well. So we're going to select, there's 21 pairs over here. Excuse me, on the backtest pair, 21 pairs. So let's go over here. Well, first let's go back. High volume, high price. We don't want to see anything. And we will take trades from the 1 minute only up down to as our sorry. We're going to take trades at the 1 minute time frame. That's going to be our entry time frame. Okay. I do have the seconds, but we're not going to go that low. I want to try to get as much data as possible. So anyway, so 21 pairs, generate 14. All right, let's do it. So I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I kind of trade this pair now, so I'm gonna skip it. All right, apparently I have to 19. Okay, so 21, 20, and CAD JPY. All right, so 19 right here. Excuse me. So CAD JPY. All right, so we're gonna go to the 1 minute. Wrong one. See how far we can go back. Let's say a year, right? See what it tells me. What is that? January 9th. Bar replay. Let's see, January 5th. How far can we go back? December. Looks like we can go back to December 25th. December 23. Can we go back further? December 21st. All right. Can we still go back? All right, this is new session. All right, I like we can still go back some ways. December 8th, 7th, 6th. Second, so let's do December 2nd. Ah, come on, man. All right, my bad. All right, so how can we go back? So we're only looking to trade 5 trades anyway, right? Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, we'll just keep it here. 5 trades. All right, so December, man, we right around Christmas. I hate this too. Anyways, it's all good. Public announcement, I don't do social media. I'm not that big anyway for people to clone, or not clone, you get what I'm saying, scam. So, okay, and we're not going to answer all the questions. Just going to mark the time frames to see if they're bearish or bullish only. So, and this will be our trade record. if I could spell record. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we'll keep our trades over here. 1 minute is our entry. Let's go to the 4 hour. Find out where we are in structure. So we had a bearish breaker structure, right? Black will be our first degree. So we came from here, came down, broke structure again, retrace premium, broke structure again, retraced, broke structure again, broke structure big time, came down, retrace, broke structure. And now we are stuck in between this high and this low, right? So we are bearish. Bearish. And because we are bearish, we will look for shorts till we break this, and then we're bullish. I would put in bullish order flow or bullish breaker structure. Oh man, excuse me. So where's good level? So we'll mark this level, right? Price broke down from here on this time frame, came up, broke down, unmitigated, big gap that's being filled right now. This is our bearish point of interest, so we'll look for shorts, right, to do something like this, right? I'm still looking for bearish order flow. All right, let's go down to the 30-minute, mark what we see. What do we see? Bullish order flow started again, put in place. It's bearish, 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 break a market structure here. Higher time frame, break a market structure. Uh-oh, wrong one, my bad. Higher time frame, break a market structure, down, bearish on the higher time frame, then bullish on a lower degree time frame, which will be our yellow. So just so you can see, we'll put in bearish order flow, then all of a sudden bullish order flow came into play, made a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, low, higher high, higher low, and then higher high. So here. All right. So in order for structure to break right now, this is the low that will have to be broken in order for bearish order flow to be confirmed. So we are looking for shorts here, but we're not, what is it called? Bearish just yet. Let's go to our, so yellow, we're bullish. Bullish on this trend. Oh. So green is our third level of degree. We were putting in bullish order flow all the way up. And now we made a low, pullback, lower low, lower low, oh, lower, higher high. So we are bullish here too now. So green trend is bullish, break a structure up. We'll be bearish if we can break this low. So right now we're bullish on this time frame as well. So this high may be in question now, right? Maybe liquidity. So because we had a bullish breaker structure, we came back down to a discount level. Let's look for buys in this level. Excuse me. So we're gonna look for buys in this level. Let's go to the 1 minute now. And let's see what's going on. So we put in bearish order flow, price broke here. Let's look at volume. Ooh, good volume with a breaker structure. So if price comes back, let's do 50% of this. Why did I use that? 50% of this. So we would enter a trade at 50% of this level with a stop loss underneath right here, 2 pip stop, targeting. Oh, so yeah, I forgot. Part of the rule this time. So this is our trade record. Let's say trade rules. Trading. Trade rule. Our trade plan. So the plan for every trade that we take is a risk of 1 to 3 reward. So this is our goal. No matter if there is room to go up, we're only going to go for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. All right. Okay. So that's the trade plan. And we'll just follow the regular. We're looking for market breaks of structure with increased volume, which I do see here. Volume was increasing, volume profile as it was breaking structure. I think it's pretty much equivalent. The result versus the effort is pretty much equivalent with these breaks of structure, and then you had a massive break here. So yeah. Oh, and come to find out, it's just above here. It's 1 to 3. So let's see what happens. So we are in end of day. Man, this bothers me. I don't have much. I don't mind losing per se, but I never get the best fortune, it seems, whenever session turnover during back testing. It is what it is, man. I should have saw this, looked at the time, and didn't take a trade. It's all good. So I don't know where price is right now. Oh, gap way down here. Absolutely ridiculous. So bearish, targeting a higher time frame. There was a break. It was a legit breaker structure, right? Honestly. So this low was broken. That's the low we were saying that we wanted to see broken. So it did have a valid breaker structure with all this gap. Let's see if it gets filled. I'll go to the higher time frame. See what's going on. So now this is an order block, right? All this push up to this move down. So we'll look for shorts here. We're matching the higher time frame bias for shorts. So we are in the point of interest. Volume sucks. So I'm not looking to take any trades right now. So it look like it filled the gap. Volume. Okay. If it breaks this high, then you're definitely quite bullish again. All right. So what are we doing? Grabbing liquidity. This is unmitigated order block. Expect to push up or not. So we just broke. Structure again. That was a low. It made a high above this high. Broke structure again. Man, I don't understand. What time is it? So now it's 6 o'clock p.m. All right, this is a little stupid to me, but if it comes back up in here, then we'll look to take a trade now. This is absolutely insane. All right, so I'm going to look for shorts to target here. Let's see what. Okay, no shorts anymore. It's coming back up, grabbing the liquidity above these, probably coming up to fill some of this imbalance. Liquidate it. So are we bullish now? Breaker structure. It's a higher low, right? It's above this low, so it's a higher low. If we follow order flow, so pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, valid breaker structure. Okay. It's kind of difficult. It's tricky to me to read this, but I do believe we are bullish now, right? So let's see what happens if we come back down to this point of interest. Probably just go straight up now. All right, so we're in this point of interest. So see what happens. This is the high that I'm looking to be broken. With volume, right? So this could be the selling climax. Actually, this could be the selling climax. We are test. All right. Grab some liquidity. Okay. Not breaking down higher. All right. More. Look like it's trying to. There we go. Create. Time is it? Okay, still Asian session. What are we looking at? All these secondary tests all over the place. Some resistance up here. Grab some liquidity again. Have enough juice to push up. High volume, not breaking down more. I see it as a sign of strength, unless I'm wrong. Okay, looks like we are breaking down. So still need a bearish breaker structure here. Let's see what happens. Bearish breaker structure. This crap here, man, I don't know. Like this is, look at these wicks. Wicks. And then all of a sudden it gets strong. Grab liquidity. These wicks. Nothing but wicks, 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 wicks. There's a breaker structure. Grab liquidity. Broke this structure. I'll take a long. We're gonna stop underneath here. 1, 4, 1 to 3. All right. So yeah, it's a lot of high volume, but little result. So I think we'll wick in and go up and hit TP. So we're in. Let's play it out, see what happens. absolutely hate this pair too. And that's 1 hour. Volume wasn't there. Should have looked at that. All right, let me see. We were still technically bearish. Right, this broke in the structure here, but this was the high that made this low that broke structure. It's just the issue is this big gap that had to get filled. Made a higher low, came up, broke in the structure, but respected this high and broke again. So if I had to draw this, so we are definitely bearish break structure still bearish. Still leave this, try to clean some of this crap up. Potentially come up here, right? Finish falling now. Okay, so we're there. See what happens. For our entry, big volume, big wick. Fill this, fill in some of this imbalance. This is the low that needs to be broken because it came up, pushed up. It's the low that needs to be broken. Let's have volume still. Okay, that's the low. Broken with some volume. This is unmitigated, but market execution, stop loss. I could put a stop above these highs, actually. And then we'll put a stop right here, 1 to 3, right? So it's kind of long. Kind of lines up though with this order block, so I'm okay with that. So we're on popcorn. What happens? Stop that again. And I shouldn't have taken this as stupid volume. All right, so it's all good. So we are definitely bullish now. Broke this high and this high. Break structure up. Definitely bullish. So because we are bullish, this high is in jeopardy of being hit. Let's see if we get a pullback down to this level or even this level, right? So, and we look for buys. Mitigated areas, see what happens. Okay. Still mitigating, came back down. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what happens. And volume is just absolutely terrible. What time is it? Morning. this crap. Coming down to this level. Fall. Don't go back up. Time is it? So 8:30 Eastern time. Okay. So we have high volume, right? With a break of structure. We have imbalance. And we have all of this imbalance to fill. Let's do a 50% entry here. Stop loss just underneath. The 3 pip stop. 1 to 3, 15, right? 9, duh. 3 times 3 is 9, so 3 to 3. Let's see if we get tabbed in. And we gone. You've got to be kidding me. So missed the entry, and it would have hit TP. All right. Look at all these wicks, man. JPY, I used to. CAD JPY. Enjoys wicks. Oh, sorry. All right, so still bullish order flow, broke structure. So high volume. This had to be 9:25, so typically moves around like hour, half past an hour or something. So no volume, expect to retrace. See what happens. Okay, it's a deep retrace market. High volume. So we have another push down from this high. Get rid of that. Confuse me. Excuse me. Oh no, not really high volume. Higher volume compared to this candle. Wait for a double confirmation. Higher volume on this bar than the previous bars. But look at this effort, right? And look at, I'm sorry, yeah, the effort is low compared to the result. It's not clear to me, so I won't take it. It looks not promising. High volume on this. It's a lot of demand. A lot of demand orders came in. But this is the high that it needs to break, and it didn't break it. Okay. This is weird. I don't like the price action, so I'm not gonna take it. Breaker structure with low volume, man. And watch, this is weird. So volume is super low. I don't like this. This 12 o'clock. Reverse for the flow. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. See where we are. A lot of resistance right here. Right, unable to break. A lot of wicks. Imbalance. Tapped into this demand. Till it's clear. So nothing is clear to me right now. Look. This is ugly price action. Ooh, ooh. Really ugly price action. So we tapped in deeper to this. Now, who trades this crap? Wrote back. Let's see if we can come back up here to this extreme level, right? Man, this is ridiculous. Look at these wicks. Trades this. Heavy manipulation. All these wicks. Volume is super, super low. This pair absolutely sucks. So, I mean, for the sake of it, I'm going to trade just so I can get rid of this. So I'm taking short. Market execution. Stop loss up here. Still going to 1 to 3. So I'm going to target a 3. Right? It broke structure if I had to justify this. On this time frame, market breaker structure right here. Breakdown. Market execution go. Trades this crap, man. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is ugly. I could have managed it better. I went to break even, but this is ugly. I won't trade this pair. This pair is super ugly. Or it's just choppy right now. Oh, well, okay. All right, so let me step back. Might not be a bad pair. It's around Christmas time. So it's December 24th. U.S. banks close. Other countries celebrate Christmas. Close. It's okay. I'm going to fast forward past Christmas. I didn't think about this. Bullish breaker structure. It's been chopping in this area for way too long. So bullish breaker structure. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Bullish slash breaker market structure was bullish, bullish, bullish up, bullish, 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 bullish. Okay. Price is now bullish on a higher time frame. Slash breaker structure. Of course, it's bullish on 30 minutes time frame without having to go all the way back. You can clearly see that it's bullish, higher highs, higher lows. So let's dip down up to the third degree time frame. Ugh, session changeover. It's stupid. Still bullish. Breaker structure here on this time frame. Bullish. So all time frames are bullish. We are tapping into this area, point of interest right now. All right, let's go ahead and end this. I'm going for what we down. We down 4. I'm going for the massive win. Big mama jumper. Market execution. Stop loss. I'll keep it here. 1 to 5. We're going to end with 1 hour and profit. 5 trades. Go. Go. going the wrong way. There you go. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong way. Going the wrong day. They're going the wrong way. All right, so let's manage this. Let's not manage it. Massive, massive, massive. Coming up here, tapping in an unmitigated POI. On this time frame, I can see it. Unmitigated POI, I can see it. So hopefully it taps in and breaks up, right? Do something because it's tapping into this unmitigated point of interest here. Do some mess like this, dance around, do what you want to do. Do what you want to do, and then shoot up. Let's see if we get that. All right, all right. Don't took liquidity. Okay, let's retrace just a little, not a lot. So we are B. My bad. We have this unmitigated too, right? So hopefully it stops there. This joker here. I should have took my profit right here at 3.8. Oh yeah. Oh man. So total was -4. All right. Good deal. Not this pair again.